Hello, Civil Deb. So today we'll be doing some dark mode toggling. So basically, we are going to use this library called friend of Civil slash toggle. So let me show you a preview of this library. So basically, you can use this library on toggling the dark mode of your web app, Civil web app. So let me show you how awesome it is. It is not an AI, by the way. People are like thinking a lot of about AI these days, so it is just pure programming. So yeah, now it is light mode. When I toggle to dark mode, it is synced. When I toggle back to light mode, it is synced. So it is synced with your system as well, and it is independent on its own as well, like you can see over here. So what you gotta do is you just gotta install this friend of civil slash toggle. So and also another great thing about this library is it supports SSR. Like there is no ziggling and like uh, blinking effect when the the page is loaded. So basically it is super cool. It supports SSR. So let's uh, hop over to the code. So let me just copy this npm I stuff. Copied. I think it is copied. Yeah. Now I gotta go over here and paste this, and it is going to be pasted. Uh, till then, like I just wanna suggest you just start a civil project so that you can use this library. I hope you are not that dumb. Sorry for that. And now what you gotta do is you gotta just copy and paste. I'm sorry for that. And yeah, over here. Now what you gotta do is you just gotta copy and paste and do stuff. And now uh, I think it won't work just pasting it. There's something you need to do. If there's like the dark sorry dark, dark slash body, and now you can use tailwind css if you want. Global body. So global dark slash toggle. No, we are just going to do global body and body by body. And now we wanna use some little bit of yellowish, somehow yellowish color, and for this we are going to use a little bit of bluish, I think. And no, maybe for this as well a little bit of bluish. Okay, great. Now it is going to be great. Oh, it is not yet blue. I'm surprised. Okay, now what you have to do is go a little bit of blue, and color would be a little bit of dark. Now let's get back to, sorry for my face as well. And yeah, we have added this stuff, so it looks great. So let's add some padding. Div. I'm a super fan of tailwind css, but since the project might get a little bit of lengthy when I install tailwind, so that's why I'm just using plain css. Oh, sorry for that again. I used tailwind like still. Now what you gotta do is padding 23px, depends on your choice. So yeah, it is working pretty fine. And let's see if it is synced with the system. Now let's see that. Yeah, it is synced. It is synced. Now let's test if it is okay. So there seems to be a problem. The SSR is not working. Now what to do? What to do when the SSR is not working? Okay, let me change the color initially. Like the font color is not set that great. Sorry for that. Okay. Now yeah. So yeah, great. So for SSR, you have to create a hook.server.ts. I hope you know that. I hope you know about hook.server.ts. You have to create it inside src. So file and hook.server.ts, and I'm just going to paste the code, the magic. Okay, great. So I've just pasted it. Let's see. Still not working. I think I might have to restart the server for initial. Let me see. Okay, still it is having some issues. Let me see again. After doing this, I think somewhere in the app.html I have to do app.html. Okay, I've not yet mentioned over here. I think I've mentioned over here. If not, I will update the readme, because basically I own the library. Okay, yeah, sorry for the internet speed as well. Now I forgot one thing. Now you have to go to app sorry, app.html. Now you have to like palace something over here like called sorry with that appear appearance mode, I think, for that. Yeah, it is working now. So yeah, basically what you have to do is paste the code in workstation use sequence if you want. If you do not want, just make this like this. It depends on you. So you can use sequence if you want. If you don't want to use sequence, just as you wish. Now appearance mode is over here. Now on the app.html, you have to like palace class is equals to appearance mode with those two percentage sign. Now it is perfectly smooth. Like if you wanna like do some customization, a little bit of customization, let me show you. So now let me go to slash example. Now as you can see over here, I'm using another button, so it is working perfectly fine. So I've just palace some css delays so that it looks good. So you can see button is equals to toggle dark mode. You can use the toggle dark mode function to toggle the dark mode, and this denotes the status of your what do you say, the status of your mode, dark mode. So is dark mode, basically if it is dark mode, it is dark, it is true, and if it is not dark mode, it is false. So basically so I've customized it a little bit, depends on you. Use toggle dark mode to toggle the dark mode function, like it is a function and it is a writable boolean, and theme toggle is just the button. It's like we have used it over here, like you can see it is the default toggle button given by me, basically by the library, the dependencies. So have a great day. Thank you for everything. I hope I recorded this time real well, like the previous was not so audible, so I think it is good now. Have a great day again.